Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Thinking about making some money at 11? That's fantastic. It's a wonderful age to start learning about the value of work and gaining a bit of independence. Earning your own money gives you a sense of accomplishment and teaches you how to manage your resources wisely. Imagine saving up for that new video game, a cool toy, or even just having some extra cash for treats. It's all about building confidence and learning valuable skills for the future. You don't have to go far to find earning opportunities. Start by asking your family if there are any extra chores you can do for a small payment, like washing the car or organizing the garage. Your neighbors might also need a helping hand. Consider offering pet sitting, dog walking, or even basic yard work. Many people are happy to pay for reliable help, and it's a great way to start building your client base right in your own neighborhood. For those with a creative spark, there are many unique ways to earn. Think about baking tasty treats or making small crafts like bracelets or cards, then selling them to family friends or at a small neighborhood stand. If you are good at something, like drawing or a specific school subject, you could even offer tutoring to younger children. And don't forget about technology. Many adults appreciate help with simple tech tasks, which can be a fun and useful way to earn. Exploring online earning opportunities can be exciting, but it's super important to always involve your parents. They can help you find safe, legitimate sites where you might earn a little money. Some platforms offer small payments for things like taking short surveys or watching ads. It's a different way to earn, but parental guidance is key to making sure you stay safe and choose appropriate activities online. Remember, your safety is always the most important thing. No matter how you choose to earn, your safety should always come first. Always have an adult with you if you're working somewhere new, and never give out personal information online. It's really important to talk to your parents about every earning opportunity you consider. And once you start making money, get into the habit of saving some of it. Learning to manage your earnings wisely now will set you up for financial success in the future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.